If you can hear me now, say go on. All right, so welcome back. Let's start solving this problem. If you can hear me, just say carry on. If you can hear me, say carry on. Good, so let's solve this problem. How many carbon atoms are in 0.0022 gram of carbon dioxide? Now, this is pretty simple. Please don't stop now. Don't stop to hit the like button. Make it an habit to give me thumbs up. Make it an habit to give me thumbs up. May not give me thumbs up. May not share this live. If you need to share this live, I will just do only chemistry. I no go do physics and math too. Share the live now. Share and go on a status and a group chat. Make people come here and learn. Now free class now. So why no one help me share? If you never subscribe to the channel now so that we go know how many person we don't join us. Subscribe, make we know how many person we dey present for this class. It go encourage me to come next time. All right. So we're asked to how many carbon atoms are there in so gram of carbon dioxide. It's very simple. Oh. Now you need to know the mass of carbon in CO2. The formula mass of carbon in CO2 is equal to molar mass of carbon. You need to know the molar mass. And a formula they give you like this. If I never tell you this formula, molar mass of carbon divided by molar mass of carbon dioxide. Now JAMB kind of question with this, so now make you see me they do it like this step by step. Mass of carbon in CO2 equal to molar mass of carbon divided by molar mass of carbon dioxide times mass of CO2. Now, if you put on in shortcut too, if you want to put on like this, molar mass of carbon like this divided by molar mass of carbon dioxide times mass of carbon dioxide. Now, JAMB pass question with this, so take them very seriously. You see the equation now, the phase of this equation now they change from the normal one wey we do. Now make I prepare you so that I know we go to do cheap stuff, and the final one now we will come it go shock you. This question is long. So let's even give you a shortcut for this one. But because I want to make sure say we use the time well, do other things. No worry. I go to come regularly if I support me well. Yeah, tell them when I hit the subscribe button. I don't want to subscribe. The subscribe now I want kind of check how many person will come this live. But I know one, and I need to hit the like. Man, I know how many person there. And I know share the like. Man, I know how many person there will share the stuff. I need to encourage me. So firstly, may we find the molar mass of. Let's find the molar mass of CO2. How do we get the molar mass of CO2? Should you know say the atomic, let's do it bit by bit. Atomic mass of carbon. Atomic mass of carbon now 12, Abi. Is it 12? Is atomic mass of carbon 12? Hi and welcome. Welcome. Join us. Good. If atomic mass of carbon is 12, what about oxygen? What is the atomic mass of oxygen? What about the atomic mass of oxygen? Please, let's be active in the comments. If you want this class to be lively, be active in the comment, please. You don't know the atomic mass of oxygen? No, now. It can't be you guys. You guys knows it. 16, good. But that 16 is going to multiply by this subscript we have here. So you have to be 16 times 2, which is 32, right? So for you to get the molar mass of CO2 now, it's going to be 12 plus 32. What is 12 plus 32? Talk now. 12 plus 32, my people. 12 plus 32. Oh. Respond quick now. We get plenty things to solve. Oh. No dulling moment. Oh. If I see say some of them are just there and I know they participate and I know they share and I know they like, hit the like button. Just the tap the like button for me. Ma just they know say and they support me and they active here. 44. I teach now not too long. I taught you guys the unit of molar mass. What did I say was the unit of molar mass? I'm saying these things over and over again because I don't want you to forget it again. I don't want you to forget it again. What is the unit of molar mass? I don't want you to forget this. What is the unit of molar mass? I've said it before and I don't want you to forget that. The unit of molar mass is simple. It is gram per mole. You're correct. Gram per mole. Please don't forget that. Now that we don't get the unit of molar mass, we will carry this answer now. Go plug inside the formula. How we want to plug inside the formula is simple. So you know, say for the formula, we don't get the mass of carbon. The mass of carbon are 12. True or false? Talk now. Mass of carbon now 12, abi? Mass of carbon are 12. Yeah, the formula say molar mass of carbon. Answer me now. We still get mass of CO2. We still get molar mass of CO2. Are you there? Good. So we have 12 divided by 44 gram per mole, which will give us, sorry, we never multiply them, times 0.0022 grams. See that value here? See them here. 0.0022 grams. So if you multiply this out, you have 12 divided by this times 0.0022 grams. What's the final answer? Use calculator, quick. 12 divided by 44 gram per mole. Fast. What's the final answer? Times this guy. Yes, do it quickly now. Multiply it very well. 12 divided by 44 times 0.0022. Yes, somebody said 0.0006 gram of carbon. Very good. Now, it means that this particular mass, this mass we have here, is present in the compound CO2. It means this particular mass is present in the compound CO2. But that's not all. They asked to find the number of atoms. It's very simple because say how many carbon atoms. To find the number of atoms is very simple. Just say number of mole equal to mass all over molar mass. So, and this number of mole equal to mass over molar mass. You also have this particular formula that says N, number of mole, equal to number of atoms. I have taught you about this one. Number of atoms is one of the formula I taught you, divided by the Avogadro's number times 10 to the power of 23. So this means that both formula can be equated. This formula, I go equate them with this one because one, we get number of mole. We get number of mole here. N here, N here. That means this one and this one will be equated to this one and this one. We dey do this thing because we won't find the number of atoms in carbon. Now make we dey plug this formula. Now wetin JAMB go bring for you with this. And I dey teach you, now make it be like say we no fast like this. But normally to see don sabi, I for show you shortcut how to run this one. The shortcut now will confuse a lot of people. So how we go take equate them? Mass all over molar mass will be equal to number of atoms divided by Avogadro's number times 10 to the power of 23. Now, we're going to make this number of atoms the subject of a formula because now wetin we define with that. Number of atoms the subject of formula. That's what we're going to be doing. Do you understand? If we are making this the subject of formula, you can cross multiply this times this and this one times this. So I could just say this times this, which is mass times 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 divided by this mass, molar mass, equal to number of atoms. I made that the subject of formula. So I just cross multiply. This multiplied by this, which is this one. This multiplied by this is supposed to be this one. But I just divide both sides by this m. Shortcut. You're not going to waste your time. So the first thing you need to do, number of atoms now, equal to this mass. Now the answer we don't get here, 0.0006 gram times Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23. Nobody imagine say this question go long like this. I know say some people go want skip am for exam. No try am. Molar mass wey you get, molar mass of carbon is 12. The molar mass we're talking about is the molar mass of carbon, which is 12. So therefore, number of atoms, maybe I'm not going to solve question very long like this. So number of atoms in carbon will be equal to, everybody divide this by this, multiply this and divide it. What's the final answer? Multiply and divide. I'm not going to solve long stuff like this. Somebody asked how come 6.022 times Avogadro's. I've given you this formula now. I started by teaching you formulas before I started solving. Now look at it. That person, maybe you were not here when I introduced this. Look at it here now. I've already introduced this particular formula. Number of atoms, it could be number of molecules, it could be number of particles, it could be number of atoms divided by Avogadro's number. So maybe you were not there when I introduced that concept. Is that clear now? That's how that formula came about. So somebody's dropped an answer that it is 3.01 times 10 to the power of 19 atoms. That's correct. So we are done with that question. Let's go over to other. Should I solve more questions or should I move to another topic? Quick. We are doing chemistry for 1 hour, so talk to me quick. At this point now, some of you are going to say, and our preparation for JAMB never strong. By only this question I solve now, some of you are going to say, and our preparation never really strong. So that means if and I want make I really they come this live often, regularly, to come they help and for free classes like this, even though you don't join my Telegram channel, they need to make sure say I see the attendance of people where they are. Hit the subscribe button first, hit the like button, and keep sharing this live. If they hit the like button and do all those things consistently, I go use and assess say, oh, these people were actually active in this particular live. So that means Somebody say I should do another one. Okay, let's do another one. Maybe this might favor you guys. The question says that might be the last one. Now I can't teach you other things what I want to teach you for chemistry plain to you. I beg, maybe we just manage them for today. We go to come regularly. Sometimes I'll come for organic chemistry, sometimes I'll come for other aspect of chemistry, titration and the rest of that. How many grams of copper are there in 2.55 moles of copper? Okay, while you're thinking about this, if you know you've not shared this particular live, if you've not shared it to your group chat, Facebook channel, everywhere, so that people all statuses, then you're not trying, you're not assisting us, you're not supporting this live channel. If you've not shared it, please do it right now. Take this time and do it, please. Consider to share it right now. While you're sharing, don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button because that's the way you want to support us. And I would have loved you guys to register for this my Telegram channel or Telegram class, because the WhatsApp class I created, we are doing quiz almost every day. And apart from the quiz now, you'll be seeing what I'm teaching on that place. You have access to ask questions on that stuff. That way, when we are coming live again, we'll be knowing what we're coming to tackle. Because most of the questions they're asking now on live class now, nobody is there to help me to respond. It's still me that will respond to them much later. So that's why I want to spend the time to teach you first. I want to do a lot of teaching right now. Can I start solving? When I go register for March class, and I just thank you. March class, now shortcut I want to do. No be this one where they do long distance. Now shortcut, one question, shortcut answer. The ones where they do like repeated pattern of class, pattern of this thing, pattern of question where they to bring for JAMB. So me, I will just focus on the shortcut, how you want to take solve both math, physics, chemistry. Now what I want to do for the month of March. Straight up, question and answer. I want to start solving this one. Solution. So what do we need to do in order to fix this particular problem? Now, the last thing I want to do for this particular topic with this, so this is the last one. So everybody focus. This is the last one. Now, first thing, I don't say they don't give us 2.55 moles of this particular one. No, normally, I know say number of mole equal to mass divided by, because they say how many grams. Grams now for mass now, divided by molar mass. Capital letter M now for molar mass, small letter m now for mass. N now for number of mole. They get me? Wait, this one at the top for comment section. Yes. Can you hear me? Wait, if you can hear me, just type great. Just type great. Because if they say yes, I'm not going to know what they talk yes for. If you can hear me, type great. GREAT. Awesome. That means you can hear me. All right, but this time we are not looking for number of moles, because you don't give us here saying at 2.55 mole. So that means we're going to make this mass. They say how many grams. So make mass the subject of formula. How can we make mass the subject of formula? Let me see whether this will be mass. Let me know whether they really know mathematics. How can we make this particular guy the subject of formula? Mass. I mean this mass. How can we make mass the subject of formula? How can we make this mass the subject of formula? The short way to do it is simple. Just multiply both sides by this denominator. Multiply both sides by m, multiply both sides by m. Instead of doing that cross multiply way they always do. This one and this one will cancel out. So mass now will equal to this number of mole times molar mass. Shortcut. And it's quite very simple. So this is what you have. Now, since you're looking for the mass, molar mass, I mean, the number of mole is given as 2.55 mole. Look at it. It's given as 2.55 moles times. We don't know the molar mass of this particular guy. I think for copper is how many? What is the molar mass of copper? Yes. Molar mass of copper. Everybody, let's go. It's simple now. Is there on your periodic table? Somebody is saying 60. What are you typing? I think I'm saying 64. Correct. 64 gram per mole. So that means what we need to do now, the mass now will be equal to, please multiply this one. Multiply this by this. This is mole. Multiply this one, 2.55 times 64. Remember that this mole will cancel this particular mole. So since you're looking for mass, it has to be in gram. Quick, multiply. Use your calculator. When I do quick now, let's use the time very well. Now I've seen the answer. 162 gram of copper. So we are done. These are things I want you to note. If you want to write JAMB 2026, note these things I want to tell you. Okay, everybody, hit the like buttons. Give me thumbs up now. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Fast. Let me count attendance. Hit the subscribe button. Let's count attendance and hit the like button. Do that real quick. Do that before I start telling you the tips I want to give you now that will help you. Do fast now. Follow instruction. If you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Now wait until I tell you may do. If you want to make a continue this class, hit the subscribe. If you never subscribe, if you don't subscribe, just hit the like button and share the live. Give other people. Your answers are correct. Congratulations. Follow instruction now. Hit the subscribe button and my account attendance. How many persons will don't join us? So that I can be able to come this live next time. You know, so I don't cancel my private class student. I cancel private class because I want to help my students where they prepare for JAMB. My country people where they prepare for JAMB. I cancel my private class student where 1 hour and $20. I cancel them because of Anna. So if you there, just make me know say you there. Make an officer a day alone. If not, if I just come out loud. Make me feel your presence. Hit the subscribe button, make a count, hit the like button, share the live. Okay, can I start new one? Can I give you this update I want to show you? If you're ready, say ready. If you're ready, type ready. Let me start giving you this point. I want to give you like 8 points that you never forget under this thing we are doing. 8 points that will help you. Number 1, let's go. No time. Number 1, if you see CONC, normally I've asked you before, you told me that it's concentration. That's powerful. But what is the unit of concentration? Let me see. If I just see only one person get the answer correctly, I will continue. What is the unit of concentration? If just one person get the answer correctly, I will continue. Just one person get the answer correctly, I will continue. Just one person. No idea? The unit of concentration, no idea? All right, don't worry. I'm here to guide you. It is mole per dm cube. That's the unit of concentration. Save it up now. Save it. Don't forget it next. Number 2, please don't be used to cm cube for volume. When you're dealing with volume, which we usually see something like this as volume, no dey used to only cm cube. No be only cm cube. No be only cm cube. Now be the unit of volume. dm cube to follow. No be only dm cube. If you see am for milliliters, ml na for milliliters. ml na for milliliters. If you still get them as liters, liters too na the unit of volume. If you get them for meter cube na unit of volume. That one supposed to help you now. In case they give question, note this particular one. Number 3, you dey enjoy the class? You dey enjoy the class? Are you enjoying the class? Can I carry on? My people, can I carry on? Okay. I want to give you another powerful tips that will help you. Number 3, when you see pressure, a lot of you will learn from this one. Pressure, no be only, okay, make I even first ask whether I go see massive opinions here. What be the unit of pressure we know? What be the unit of pressure we know? Somebody asked me, sir, what about conversion? Don't worry, I'll teach you how to do conversion. After this update, this note I'm giving you, the next thing is conversion. I'll teach you conversion right now. Anything they ask, now I will teach you. Somebody just mentioned conversion. What about conversion? I'll teach you right now after this one. Yes, somebody has just mentioned millimeter mercury. That is brilliant. So I think, did somebody just mention Pascal? I saw something like Pascal. Was that Pascal I saw? If you mention Pascal, you're correct. No, they fear. No fear. No fear. If you ever use your mouth, open mouth, talk Pascal, you're correct too. If you talk millimeter mercury, you're correct. Which other one do you know? Is that all? Chat, you don't finish, you. You don't finish with the sabi, oh. Oh yeah, I don't try. Make I add 2 for now or 3. Join the list of what you don't know. Now, ATM. Now another unit of, I beg, who will tell me the full meaning of ATM for comment section? Do it real quick. Do it, I'm waiting. ATM, another unit, millimeter mercury, you've mentioned this one. Have you heard of this torricelline? Torricelline, where we tore. This tore like this, you never seen them before. Now, one of the units for pressure. Yes, so this TORR. Even this Newton per meter squared. Newton per meter squared. Now, another one, then Pascal. Make we use this one only whole body for now. And they give you update, we go help you pass exam. No carry and play, oh. No carry and play, oh. No carry this class play, oh. Next one. Temperature. Temperature, you can have that in degrees Celsius or you can have that in Kelvin. Number 5. What about when you see something like molar gas constant? Remember, say some textbook, they call them molar gas constant. Some textbook, they call them ideal gas constant. And the symbol for this guy, not arrow. Another thing I want me to note. This molar gas constant or ideal gas constant, now arrow be the symbol. Of course, you know this one now, this mass. Mass now in grams. You always say for this chemistry, this topic what you do. You always say mass in grams. Maybe G. Yeah, note, no be for kilogram. Oh. In chemistry, in chemistry, na physics where they do all this gram, kilogram stuff. Chemistry, mostly we dey use our mass as grams. Take note of that. Then the last one, number 7, molar mass. Everybody don't know this one. We don't do them before. Molar mass. Guys, what is the unit of molar mass? After this one, we enter conversion. What's the unit of molar mass? Talk to me, guys. What is the unit of molar mass? Gram per mole, you're correct. Gram per mole. Snap. Screenshot, everybody. Let's go. Screenshot. Let's move to the next thing. We don't have time. Screenshot. Let's move to conversion. If you don't screenshot them, if you don't snap, I don't get time for you to copy except you fast. If you don't snap, just type done. When I say I type done, I go remove the paper. When I say I type done, I can assume say and I don't screenshot or and I don't copy and finish. Then I remove the paper. If you know say you never share this life, you never hit the like button, as I dey help and for free like this, you never subscribe to the YouTube channel, then you no be better person. I no go lie for you, no be better person. All this help I dey help you for free like this. You know say you never hit the like button, you never share this particular life, you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, no be better person. No, nothing go tell me. Now you dey follow discourage me, man, no come again. At that time they follow discourage me, man, no come again. But you no good now. Account to come help you for free, and you to no be say the thing will come out anything for your account too. Normally, if I na be better person now, and I will just say make I drop my OP, when I run 1 or 2. But if I no talk and I no go know. But as I no ask, I can say okay, man, they share the life, they subscribe, they do this thing. And I know sabi motivate person. No, I no go talk anything. Man, they do my work what they do for Nigerian students and other people in the other country. They do my work. So, conversion. I see somebody say, "Ma, drop my OP." Ma, just drown. Ma, no disobey now. Ma, just write and keep. Because better people still there. You can see Alison definitely. Since now you use them at Assam for free stuff. So make it start conversion. Now for conversion, wetin we will do now. Now very important stuff. I won't tell you things where we say it will help you where we pass your exams for conversion, because a lot of people, as they know, so in fact, somebody say make a people they say make I drop am omo, and I'm a better person though. Hey, thank you so much. This one a serious matter. I don't even don't receive one now. See wahala. If now I do like this, I go to come life every day. Come help her now. Because my interest don't be this one, I be the major thing. Now the assistance why they give her and they appreciate, they like, they subscribe, all those things. Now they make me feel say and they really appreciate the work what they do for now. But as I come to see and they request for this one and they drop. 2 persons don't drop. Hey, wahala. Make this one not confuse me. While you're doing it, thank you. God bless you. I go really appreciate it later when I finish this thing. Okay. See what I want to show you for conversion. I'm gonna start for volume first. I beg, anytime we see 1 dm cube, now the same thing as 1000 cm cube. That means 1 dm cube. You know that thing we do for primary school? 1 centimeter make 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter make 1. You remember that thing? Talk now. You remember that thing? Why not you do like that and don't follow me go primary school now? You there for back of 1 time. I don't know whether you call it times table. You there close to that times table book. Man, I know to make me feel bad now. You come bless and now let me wait the shame don't they catch me now. Come bless and now let me wait experience this thing. Now let me go local school. Why not you do like this now? Be men support me. Men tell me say and I hear and now. I beg. I'm feeling bad right now. I for not talk this thing within my mouth too. Now it be like say na only me wey go school for village. Sure. This one pay me. Sure. Jesus, one of our transfer 10K. For real? That's a lot. Whoa. Thank you so much. That's a lot. Some say they send 5K. Jesus. Thank you so much. I'm shocked. I'd say nah, normal 1K I want to do. And for real, anyone, I just appreciate. Good people still there. Thank you so much. Even people will not get to give no like no worry yourself. Men are just focus, they learn. But men are just the power tap on the like button and the share. Now be the encouragement. But person where they drop this one's mightily for my account. This one shocked me. Oh. Thank you. So please note one decimeter. I don't enter this thing again. God, I better remove this thing from my mouth. Man, I teach my people. 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 cm cube. Note that. And 1000 cm cube now the same thing as 1000 milliliter. It's still the the same thing. 1 dm cube if you want to convert them for milliliter now 1000 milliliter. 1 dm cube if you want to put them for centimeter cube now 1000 cm cube. If you want to put them for liter now 1 liter. That means 1 dm cube is equivalent to 1 liter. 1 dm cube too if you want to put that for meter cube now equivalent to 1 times 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Enjoy this one. I repeat myself. 1 dm cube. If the same way you convert the answer, put them for cm cube. Let me say go multiply 1000 in cm cube. Same 1 dm cube. If you want to put them for in milliliter, now 1000 milliliter. Same 1 dm cube. If you want to put them for liter, now 1 liter. Same 1 dm cube. If you want to put them for meter cube, now 1 times 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Elena. Yes, I know say plenty people don't forget. Now make the reminder now this one. Thank you so much, son. A lot of you are saying, sir, I deserve it. I deserve the transfer and the rest of that. Thank you. I'm just seeing it still coming. More are still coming. Man, these guys are wonderful. More are still coming. Come on. Some people are sending 2K too. Whoa. I'm really grateful, guys. Trust me. I'm really grateful. You guys just made me. I'm just overwhelmed, honestly. So after this thing, what I don't teach you now, make you put that into practice. Are you ready? Let's put this thing we've just done into practice. Are you ready? Talk to me now. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Good. Good. All of you that have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. The subscription you made is not in vain. But make sure you go to turn the notification bell so that immediately I just upload new video, you will receive notification. Now, one of the advantages of subscribing to my YouTube channel be that anytime I just post new content, it will help you because now academic content I do. Now you go first receive notification. You get something will be like bell, close to that notification bell. Just click and select all. Turn on and select all. That's the notification bell. All right. Question 1. Convert 500 cm cubed to dm cubed. Okay, guys, let's go. What can you do? When you see something like this, what you will do? Oh yeah, let's go. Convert 500 cm cube to dm cube. Can I solve? May I first solve this one? If your answer is 0.5, then you are absolutely correct. If your answer is 0.5, you are absolutely correct. So short, quick, man, no use shortcut. Normal way you go to solve this one, say, since you go ask yourself solution, remember you're converting from cm cube to dm cube. You go ask yourself, since 1 dm cube is equivalent to 1000 cm cube, that means x dm cube will be equal to 500 cm cube. Because they say convert 500 to dm cube. So what you can't do now at this point now, you know that's when I do cross multiplication like this. You can say x dm cube, or just x only dm cube, or just x equal to, you can get this one times this one, 1 dm cube times 500 cm cube divided by this 1000 cm cube. Cm cube and cm cube will cancel. 1 times 500 na 500. 500 divided by 1000, we could just cancel this to 0, cancel this to 0. So 5 divided by 10 could just give you 0.5 dm cube. Simple, right? Good. Question 2, we no get time again. Question 2, convert 460 milliliter to dm cube. Everybody, let's go. Abeg, learn to follow try now. Learn to follow try. Not just the watch like that. Learn to follow try. It must not be correct. If you not correct, we dare to correct you. Learn to the follow try these things. Abeg. Help yourself. Help yourself, my people. Learn to follow try. Try. What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, let me do it. Let me check if your answer is correct. Solution. So we have 1000 milliliter is equivalent to 1 dm cube. I think it's part of what I taught you. Look at it. 1 dm cube for milliliter, now 1000 milliliter. That's so you're going to compare them. So that means that 460 milliliter will be equal to x dm cube, because we don't know what this is in dm cube. We know that 1000 milliliter is 1 dm cube, but we don't know what 460 milliliter is in dm cube. That's why we say x dm cube. Sure you understand? So how you want to find them? Cross multiply. So use this one multiply by this one, use this one multiply by this one. Normally I could just do 1000 milliliter times this particular x dm cube equal to 1 dm